Today, we're diving into a common problem many face with high-speed RAM and XPM or DOCP settings. You've bought RAM rated for 3,800 MHz, 4,000 MHz, or even higher, but your PC can't handle it? You're not alone. Let's break down why this happens and how to fix it. What's going on? Well, the problem likely lies with your CPU's memory controller. This controller manages the flow of data between your CPU and RAM. When you activate XPM or DOCP, you're overclocking both the RAM and the memory controller. If the controller can't handle the boosted speeds, your system becomes unstable, causing crashes, freezes, and black screens. The quickest way to solve this is to disable XPM or DOCP in your BIOS, but that means running your RAM at its lower default speeds, definitely not what you had in mind when you bought high-performance memory. If you get a black screen as soon as you enable XPM, don't worry, your hardware isn't damaged. You just need to reset your motherboard settings. If you're stuck with a black screen, here's what you need to do. Clear your motherboard's CMOS. This will reset all BIOS settings, including the XPM or DOCP profile. Here's how to do it. 1. Turn off your PC and unplug it. 2. Open up your case. If your motherboard has a clear CMOS button, press that. If not, here's what you can do. Option 1. Find the clear CMOS pins on your motherboard. Touch them with a screwdriver or a metal object for 5-10 seconds. Option 2. Remove the round battery from the motherboard for 30 seconds to cut power to the CMOS. This will reset your BIOS settings. Keep in mind, these pins or the battery may be hidden under your GPU, so you might need to remove the graphics card. If you're not sure how, check out my GPU removal video linked in the description below. Now that you've cleared the CMOS and can access your BIOS again, let's see how we can boost your RAM's performance without running into stability issues. This is a simple method, not a full manual overclocking guide. 1. Go ahead and re-enable XPM or DOCP in your BIOS. 2. Before saving and exiting, switch to advanced mode. Go to the memory settings or AI tweakers section and adjust the memory frequency. 3. Instead of using the full XPM speed, choose a slightly lower frequency. Save and reboot your system. Then test it by playing a game or running an application where you experienced issues before. If it crashes again, lower the memory frequency another step and repeat until you find a stable setting. And that's it. Hopefully, these adjustments help you get your system stable while still getting good performance out of your RAM. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your setup.